Shweta and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm a beauty and fashion influencer on Instagram and also a self-taught makeup artist. I had got a lot of requests that why don't you do your makeup with affordable products. So when it comes to affordable products in India, the first product comes to head is Lakmé. Because Lakmé is not just affordable, but it is the most common product used by regular people. Like my previous generation knows about these products, my next generation knows about these products, and like almost everyone knows about these products. So I have decided to do a one brand makeup tutorial today using only the products of the brand Lakmé. So before starting this video, I want to say in advance that please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. So let's get started.
I'm using Lakmé Absolute Skin Natural Mousse as the base today. I'm applying this using my bare hands because this thing is really dry on application, but it does not mean that it makes your skin dry afterwards. The reason why I like this thing so much because it is very light and it does not feels like you have applied any base on your face, and also its function is similar to that of full coverage foundation. I usually prefer foundation one tone darker than my original skin tone, but today I'm applying this foundation one tone lighter than my original skin tone because I want a blushy glow look today. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and as I have mentioned in my earlier videos, I do my eyebrows with eyeshadow, and I have taken Lakmé 925 Eye Color Quartet eyeshadow and the palette is Smoky Glam for this, and I'm taking the black color for doing my eyeshadow. I have taken Lakmé Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer and I'm applying this primer over my eyelid. I always apply primer before start doing my eyeshadow because this primer holds the eyeshadow in place and won't let it smudge. I have taken this same eyeshadow palette, which is Lakmé 925 Eye Color Quartet eyeshadow, and the palette is Smoky Glam to do my eyeshadow today. I have taken the brown shade and I am using it as the transition color and I'm applying it on the upper part of the eyelid. I want to achieve a subtle yet glam eyeshadow look today. For that, I have chosen this eyeshadow palette. Now I have taken a spongy brush and I am taking this golden color and I'm applying this over my eyelid. Remember guys, if you have hooded eyes like mine, then always apply darker color as the transition color and a lighter shade over your eyelid to make your eye look less hooded. Now I have taken a fluffy brush and I'm blending this all. Now I have taken Lakmé Absolute White Intense SPF 20 Concealer Stick and I'm applying this concealer in the position which is needed to be concealed. I'm not going to apply any liquid contour today because I want a soft glam look. If you're planning to apply a liquid foundation, then I would recommend you use this concealer stick before applying the foundation. Now I have taken a beauty blender and blending this concealer. Sometimes I need to rub in some places instead of patting because this is a dry concealer and it's a little more difficult to blend than blending liquid concealers. But since this is a makeup for the beginners, so I will highly recommend this concealer because this concealer is easy to apply. I'm going to contour my face using Lakmé Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer, which will give the subtle contour effect which I need. I have taken this flat brush to apply this bronzer. Now I have taken this thin flat brush to contour my nose. For highlighting my face, I have used Lakmé Face Sheer Highlighter and the color is Desert Rose. I personally prefer this thing because application of it is really easy, just like patting powder in your face. Do not apply this product excessively as this could make your face look red. Now I'm applying blusher on my face, which is Lakmé Absolute Face Stylist Blush Duos. This blusher is really subtle and it will give me the perfect look which I desire for today. Now I have taken a thick round brush and I'm going to apply Lakmé Rose Face Powder with sunscreen and the color is soft pink. This translucent powder will give a subtle matte effect to my face. Now I'm going to finish rest of my eye makeup and I have taken Lakmé Iconic Kajal to do bottom of my eyes. I'm not applying this kajal on my waterline but instead I'm applying this little away from my waterline, which is a perfect technique for hooded eyes to look a lot bigger and open than usual. I have taken Lakmé Absolute Shine Line Eyeliner and the color is Sparkling Olive to do upper part of my eyelid. The color is really shiny and really beautiful and I'm going to apply it a little thicker than usual because I'm going to apply eyelashes over it, and if I don't apply a thick layer then this beautiful color will be totally invisible after applying the eyelashes. Now I'm curling my lashes using a lash curler, which gives extra volume to the eyelashes after applying the mascara. I have taken Lakmé Iconic Curling Mascara, which is the most common mascara, and I am applying this on my upper lashes. I don't invest much in mascara because I always apply eyelashes over it. Now I'm applying the false eyelashes. I feel like every look is incomplete without applying eyelashes. Now I'm going to wear lipstick. I'm using Lakmé Cushion Matte Lipstick and the color is Classic Rose. My makeup is done. Now I'm going to show you the final look.
This is the final look for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and share, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm also on Instagram and my IDs are Veda Tat and The Real Queen V. Bye guys, see you next time.